Excuse me, Benny. Thank you. Come on, show Mommy what you can do. Come on. Ah! There it goes. First of all, the light on again. There he is. Go ahead, do it. Do it. Do it. Get up on there. Here he goes. Go ahead, I'm watching. I'm waiting for you to show me what you can do. Go ahead. Get up. Show them what you can do. Now turn around. Whoops. You know you can do this. Take your time. Take your time.
Mom.
There's Benny. Benny's up there. He's hiding. Now go this way, Jared. This way, Jared. Turn around to Mommy.
Mom. Hi.
There he is.
I'm going to show you something.
Okay, just a minute. Just a minute. Here he comes. Come on. See, I'm doing this by myself. Oh! I'm doing this by myself. Yes, I am. Yes, I am. Just a minute, please.
Look at the cat. Look at the cat. Look at the cat.
What do you have to show me?
Look at my new weight car.
Awesome, man. Very cool for your birthday, huh? Oh, okay. That's awesome. Mom and Poppy got them for you, huh? Walk, please. Whoa! Whoa! Where are you going? Go in the living room again. Come on. Come on. You almost got it. You got it. Come on. Come on. Come on. Jared.
The camera. Come see this.
No, I'm not going to tape that, honey, okay?
Why?
Because it's... Alright, we'll do it real quick. Go ahead.
Okay.
Go ahead, hurry up. Ben, stand there.
Keep looking, and slowly it will appear.
Happy Halloween. Here, let's go back in the living room so he'll come back in the living room with us. Come on. I know. Come on. He said forget it. He said forget it. It's okay.
Can I see the video?
Well, I'm done taping. Hold on. Come on. Oh. My boys.
Bye.
Happy Halloween.